They say the Nigeria Air Force don't leave the Boko Haram and the ISWAP and ISIS, Al-Qaeda, all the whole terrorists wey dey for inside the northern part of Nigeria wey dey ravage that area, dey pushing people comot for their community. They say they don't leave them go inside the southeast, they look for ESN and the Biafra Liberation Armies. We go play you the video make una watch as they take dey explain am for this video how they take use their fighter jet enter inside southeast. They shoot from up as they look for unknown gunmen, ESN, Biafra Liberation Army. Why the northern people are abandoning their villages, running for safety, going to IDP camps? Let us watch the video before we come back and continue. In the other hand, one Yoruba pastor or one prophet don call out Tinubu to immediately visit Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for what he did not know as even the president of Nigeria. Say Nnamdi Kanu have something very important to tell him. We will watch the videos, and as they watch am, make sure say you share and drop your own opinion in comment section.
Today, 3rd of July 2026. You can see it. They leave Savisa Forest, come to Biafra land, searching for ESN. They leave Savisa Forest, leave bandits that killing people in the north, in the east, in the southwest. They come to the forest to search for ESN. This is the agenda. To take over the whole southeast and give it back to the Fulanis. This is their plan. This is the plan they had. But God will never allow that to happen. Men on ground are challenging them. Air Force apartments are challenging them. They thought like it's like before. They will come, bomb people's house, throw bomb onto us as they want. They have thrown 3 bombs. You can hear it. You can hear what they are doing. See it there. You can see it. It's coming. It's coming this direction. They are coming this direction. You can see them now. Look at them. Look at them. Nigeria Air Force. You can see it very clear now. Look at it. They are shooting. We are challenging them. They are shooting. We are challenging. It's coming this direction now. Be watchful. is coming this direction. Our God will never shame us. None of your bullets will reach ground. You are wasting your money, wasting your time. Elohim is with us. Chukwuoke Abiyama is with us. No matter your plan, Chukwuoke Abiyama is with us. He will never let the Biafrans down. As long as you leave the north, where bandits are killing Christians, burning churches, you will come down to the east. That is peace. A place that we have chased Fulani out from this forest as a whole. We have chased them out. This is where you come. As long as you come, you will go back in shame. You will go back in shame. You will know that the Redeemer liveth.
I heard a voice clearly. He said, let the president of Nigeria, he needs to go and hear some certain information from Nnamdi Kanu. You know, I don't have anybody closer to them. This is the best means I can pass the message. So I don't. It's not about fame. I don't have anybody who is closer to you, the president, and I don't know anybody. He needs to. I heard that there are some vital information according to the spirit. That there are some vital information that Nnamdi Kanu is holding in his palm. The president needs to go and visit him. If he has been visiting him, let him go and visit him and ask him, what do you need to tell me? Nnamdi Kanu is in the prison according to the news. But there are some vital information. When I say vital, that vital information
the way God showed him.
Some of the vital information is about the secrets of how they want to eliminate the president. I don't know how Nnamdi Kanu know about it, but I clearly the president need to visit that man. You may not believe it. You may believe it. But
it's better you listen.
It may look foolish. But do you know that there are some things whereby God will not even show any prophet. He will show the madman. But I heard there are some vital information. Even information about how they want to eliminate the president of the East. I don't know how God ministered to him, but he said he has some vital information. They should go and seek him. God did not show me.